In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. You definitely know that the people who are somewhat rich, the people who are working at a slightly better positions, either in a private company or even in a governmental organization, they people are found hiring others, other people, hiring other people for the sake of trivial jobs. For the sake of jobs, for the sake of tasks, they don't have time for, they don't have energy for. So they delegate the things. What they do is that they delegate the things. Although the people who are being delegated don't work sometime as good as they themselves can, yet they do hire cook, driver, chauffeur, dry their laundry people, etc., etc., etc. Why? One reason is that they do have the money, and once they do have the money, they don't want to put themselves in the pain, in the struggle, in the effort, in the tedious works, boring works. On the other hand, there is another reason as well, and this reason is not necessarily being at work in each and every case, but this is a reason as well. This reason is that they don't have enough amount of time and energy for these small tasks, because what they have to do is important and is far more important, is far more important. That is why they don't do the things which they can hand over to other people, for which they can hire other people. Why? Because they are not having sufficient amount of time and energy. Although each one of us have a day of 24 hours, each one of us have a day of 24 hours, a week of 7 days, a month of 30 days, a year of 365 days. Then why, the question arises, why some of the people don't have enough time? They don't have enough time because they have so many important things to do. And if at all they keep themselves busy in the trivial and the unnecessary tasks, they will not be either able to carry on the important things, or they will do the important things but they will not be able to maintain a good quality of that work. So here what I wanted to say is, some of the people, they are not very developed, they are not wealthy, they are not working at an important position either in the governmental organization or a private one yet. So now because of this reason, they are found busy in the things which are not that much important, and for which people can be hired, which the things which can be delegated. The people who have become successful, they are delegating the things, they are found delegating the things. And the people who are not so developed, the people who are not developing faster pace, they cannot delegate. What is the delegation actually? It is the hiring of the people, hiring someone else for the things which you yourself have to do, hiring the people for the things which you yourself have to do otherwise, like cooking, like washing, like laundry, taking care of your vehicle, etc., etc., etc. So there is a proverb of English which says that delegate or stagnate. A proverb of English says that delegate or stagnate. Delegate means hiring somebody for the things you otherwise have to do yourself by paying them money, etc., etc. Delegate. or stagnate. Stagnation actually means that the flowing water has been stopped. The water is not flowing, it is stagnant. While here it means that you have stopped developing, you are unable to develop. That is what is meant by stagnation here. So, what is the summary of this proverb is, in the easy words, in the easy concept, says that you do have to hire the people for the trivial things, for the things which are not so important, or your development will stop. Now, the people who do have the money, the people who are working at a higher position, they can hire the people, they can delegate the things. But the people who are not so developed yet, they can't do this. It is fine, it is okay, it is acceptable. And many of the people who are working at a higher position today, many of the people who have become rich today, they were not rich earlier. They were not working at a higher position from the very beginning. So they used to do all of these things themselves. They were found spending their time, their energies upon these things, which now they are delegating, because they can delegate now, because they have become somewhat affluent, influential or affluent at the moment. Now there is a lesson for us, actually, for me, for you, for all the people like us. There is a lesson here, and the lesson here is that if at all we, I'm not going to say that start delegating very now. It will not be feasible for you now. It is not feasible for many of the people who have yet to develop. But what is feasible, what is practicable, what is implementable, what should be learned, and what must be practiced even by the people who have yet to develop, even for the people who have yet to prosper, for the people who have yet to become, reach the higher status. Now, this thing is that they should stop wasting their time and energies upon the things which are unimportant, upon the things which are useless. They must stop. They must stop spending their time, their energies upon the things which are unimportant, which are least important, which are useless. So save your time, save your energy, save your time, save your energy for what? For the things which can make you a developed human being, for the things which are not that much important, but for the things which you do have to do, but you can't delegate because of the shortage of the resources. Do take care of your time and energy, then your time and energy will do take care of your development. I repeat my words because this is the concluding sentences. The conclusion lies in these sentences. Do take care of your time and energy, then your time and energy will do take care of the development and the prosperity of yours. Thank you.